Hi guys, welcome back to another bag tour. So here's a quick look at the vintage Coach City bag in the rare and beautiful color Jade. And this specific bag was made in the US in the year 1995 and the style number is 9790 for all city bags. And now I'll go ahead and give you guys a close-up view of the bag. So here's an aerial view of the bag. As you can see, here's the front, the sides, and then the back of the bag. It's got a nice deep pocket here in the back. Perfect for putting your cell phone if you like. And then here's the bottom. And then I will go ahead and open the bag so you can see what it looks like. I'm just gonna fix the strap. Okay, so here's the inside of the bag. It's got another pocket here in the front, and then I stuffed it with paper just to retain the shape. So here's the inside of the bag. It's got another pocket back here with a zipper, and the creed is back there. I guess you can see it fairly clearly in the video here. Sometimes the creeds don't show up very well, but I can also add a photo of it just so you can see it a little bit better. So here's that photo now. So anyway, that was the Jade City bag, and as I mentioned, this color is pretty rare, so I assume that I probably won't have it for super long. It is a pretty in-demand color, but I will of course link the Etsy listing below if you want to check it out. And also, if you found me on Etsy, welcome to the channel. I'm glad you're here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.